Lesson I am going to explain you how to find the inverse of the matrix using Gauss Jordan method. Let us see the problem. The system of equations will be given. Find the inverse of the matrix using Gauss Jordan method for the following equations. 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5. 4x plus 4y minus 3z is equal to 3. 2x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 2. Any system of equation can be written in the matrix form using Ax, which is equal to b. So what is A? The coefficient of the first equation, 2x plus 3y minus z, 2x. So the x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is 3, z coefficient is minus 1. So this is A. Second equation, 4x. So 4 is the coefficient of x, 4 is the coefficient of y, minus 3 is the coefficient of z. So third equation, 2 minus 3, 2. This is A. X is equal to column matrix x, y, z. B is equal to, what is given in the first equation, 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5. So is equal to 5. So therefore 5, 3 from the second equation, from the third equation 2. So this is Ax is equal to b. So matrix form we have written. Next we are going to find the inverse. So let us see how to find the inverse. So you can find the inverse using A comma I. So A comma I is equal to identity matrix. So 3 by 3 matrix is given. 2 minus 3, 2 plus 3 minus 1. 4, 4 minus 3. 2 minus 3, 2. So identity matrix is 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1. So this is identity matrix. So from here I am going to approximately, first one is as it is, you have to write 2, 3 minus 1. 1, 0, 0. So row 2 can be written row 2 minus 2 row 1. Row 2 minus 2 row 1. So minus 2 row 1. Row 2 is 4, 4 minus 3, 0, 1, 0. Minus 2 row 1. Row 1 is, this is a row 1. So in a row 1 you have to multiply by minus 2. So minus 4 minus 6 plus 2 minus 2, 0, 0. If you are adding this 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0. This is row 2. Row 3 can be written row 3 minus row 1. So 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 minus 3, minus 6. 2 minus of minus 1 will be plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So minus 1, 0, 1. So you have to write, then you have to add in this way. Then only you will get exact value. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0. Okay, it will give exact value. So you write and next you have to fill in the matrix. Next one, 2, 3, minus 1, as it is I am writing first row. 1, 0, 0. So next I am going to change in row 3. So row 3 minus 3 R2. Row 3 minus 3 R2. So row 3 minus 3 R2. So R2 row 2 is there. So we have to multiply by minus 3. So 0, 6, 3, 6, minus 3, 0. This is a minus 3 R2. Row 3, 0, minus 6, 3, minus 1, 0, 1. So if you are adding this, you will get row 2 as it is you have to write. Minus 2, 1, 0. Row 3 will be, you have to add these two, 0, 6 minus 6, 0, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 minus 1, 5, minus 3, plus 0, minus 3, 0 plus 1, 1. So this is row 3. Okay, so next you have to write row 3 divided by 6. Why we are making this? First you have to make the below the principal or leading diagonal element, below the leading diagonal element, everything will be 0. So that's why we have made. So 2, 3, minus 1 as it is you have to write 1, 0, 0, first row. Second row as it is you have to write minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0. Third row becomes, third row divided by 6. So 0, 0, the 6 will be 1. 5 by 6 minus 3 by 6, 1 by 6. 5 by 6 minus 3 by 6, 1 by 6. In the next you can write as, which is equal to approximately 2, 3, as it is you have to write first row, minus 1, 1, 0, 0. So row 2 becomes row 2 divided by minus 2. So 0, 1, 1 by 2, 1, minus 1 by 2, 0. So 0, 0, 1. 5 by 6, minus 3 by 6, 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Approximately, next one is R2 we have to change. Principal or leading diagonal element. This is leading diagonal element. This must be 1. Remaining, the above this principal diagonal element or below this principal diagonal element, everything will make to 0. Above as well as below you have to make to 0. So therefore, next I am going to make first row as it is I am going to write 2, 3, minus 1. So 1, 0, 0. Second row becomes row 2 minus 1 by 2 row 3. So row 2 minus 1 by 2 row 3. Row 2 0, 1, 1 by 2, 1, minus 1 by 2, 0. Minus 1 by 2 row 3, 0, 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 6, so 5 by 12, 3 by 12, 1 by 6, right? Minus 1 by 12, right? So you have to add these two. So 0, 0, row 2, 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 5 by 12 will be here will be minus 5 by 12, minus 5 by 12. So therefore 1 minus 5 by 12, 12 minus 5, so 7 by 12, minus 3 by 12. Next will be minus 1 by 12. Third row as it is, because already we have made third row 5 by 6, minus 3 by 6, 1 by 6. Now the principal element, okay, below the principal element, every element is 0. Above the element, there is 3 minus 1, we have to made 0. So therefore, so second equation as it is we can write. Third is also as it is we can write, because already we have changed. So 7 by 12, minus 3 by 12, minus 1 by 12, 5 by 6, minus 3 by 6, 1 by 6. So R1 becomes R1 plus R3. So these two you have to add, R1 plus R3, R1, R3, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 0, 3, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 1 plus 5 by 6 will be 11 by 6, 0 minus 3 by 6 will be minus 3 by 6, 0 plus 1 by 6 will be 1 by 6. So we have made. Next, the second, third row as it is you have to write, because already we changed. Minus 3 by 12, minus 1 by 12, 5 by 6, minus 3 by 6, 1 by 6. So R1 becomes R1 minus 3 R2. So R1 you have to write 2, 3, 0, 11 by 6, minus 3 by 6, 1 by 6. This is R1. Minus 3 R2. 0, minus 3, 0, minus 3 R2, minus 21 by 12, 9 by 12, 3 by 12. So if you are adding these two, you will get 2 plus 0. So 2. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 11 by 6 minus 21 by 12 will be 22 minus 21 divided by 12 will be 1 by 12. Minus 3 by 6 plus 9 by 12 will be 9 minus 6 divided by 12. So 3 by 12. 3 divided by 12. 1 by 6 plus 3 by 12 will be 3 plus 2 divided by 12. So 5 by 12. So every value we have got. So next we are going to find the final value. So the final value is approximately, second one is 0, 1, 0, third one is 0, 0, 1. Here 7 by 12 minus 3 by 12 minus 1 by 12, 5 by 6 minus 3 by 6, 1 by 6. So R1 becomes R1 divided by 2, because the value, first value is 2. So that's why divided by 2, R1, row 1 you got to divide it by 2. 1, 0, 0, 1 divided by 24, 3 divided by 24, 5 divided by 24. So already what is in left hand side? AI, which is equal to, here we have made it to IA inverse. AI we have made it to IA inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 by 24, 3 divided by 24, 5 divided by 24, 7 divided by 12, minus 3 divided by 12, minus 1 divided by 12, 5 divided by 6, minus 3 divided by 6, 1 divided by 6. This is A inverse value. If you want to check A inverse value is correct, you have to multiply the given matrix A as well as what we have found, the value A inverse, which should be or which is equal to 1, 0, 0 identity matrix. If it is 3 by 3 matrix, you have to write 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 identity matrix. If it is 2 by 2 matrix, 1, 0, 0, 1, that is also identity matrix.